Today, we are going on an exciting adventure with Hamilton Go bus station. We filled our Prestos, boarded the bus, and went off on this exciting journey. We saw some trains in the way, some really nice buildings on Mississauga, and this very exciting place that I definitely want to visit again. But overall, my excitement for reaching Toronto was just at the peak. After crossing a lot of different buildings, we reached Union Station, looked at all these beautiful buildings before we arrived to our final destination, which is the Taste of India event. This place looked amazing. It was everything we hoped for. A lot of Indian vibes, Bollywood songs playing all around us. We started exploring the area. Each and every shop that we visited felt like a reminder of our Indian culture and tradition. It felt like we're back in India. There are just so many food options. The music is coming from the stage behind. The dance is happening. You can see a lot of people eating and enjoying a lot of different Indian cuisine. It just made you feel like you're back in India. And I was missing that feeling for a long time. I also participated in a quiz happening at the stage asking about banking questions sponsored by BMO. And I won a prize. With lots of tasty food, amazing Bollywood music, and prizes, we decided to move ahead. For planning the next place, we played a quick game, and the winner was Aquarium. We have never been there, so it was definitely a fun choice. This aquarium will cost you around $50 per person, but if you come after 5 p.m., you will get additional $5 off. Many of the fish we saw looked extremely tired. Maybe they're just tired of presenting. So many people were coming in, looking at them, looking at the waves, and they were just chilling in the water without even moving an inch. By this time, I was getting really impatient. Is this what I paid $45 for? All I'm seeing are very different type of fish. Someone very colorful, yellow, blue, green, all different type of fish are available there. But after looking at them for 5-10 minutes, I wanted something more exciting. And that's when I saw this a huge octopus. It felt like it's coming right out of a horror movie. And from this point onwards, things just kept getting better. We went through this transparent tube submerged inside the water, and we could see all the different type of fish covering us. But the special attraction was definitely these sharks. They looked amazing. They looked incredible. I don't think I've ever seen sharks so closely ever before. Okay, we're finally out. And as you have already seen, there are many more things to explore there. Those jellyfishes, snakes, and all the other creatures we got to see there was definitely exciting. Overall, I will rate it around 4 stars from 5, just because it seems more like a one time thing. But it's fun. If you haven't been here, you should. It's $50 per person, 1 hour experience, and kind of worth it. By this time, it was already around 6 or 6:30 p.m. So we wanted to go back home, but I saw this strange looking train station nearby, and we could see some really old trains here. Surprisingly, they go from Toronto to Hamilton. There might be some history behind it. We also got to see this ancient black train. It gave a very Harry Potter style vibes. I wanted to get closer to it, but it was kind of locked inside. So I took a quick pic and moved ahead. The city looked wonderful from here. We could see everything from CN Tower to these high top buildings, and we had these trains nearby. With this, we've wrapped our day. We had a fun day with the taste of India and the aquarium, finally looking at the railway station. I hope to see you again. Bye bye.